try to level uh, the laptop. I think this is too high. Well, probably this side too high now. Low, low, like this. Well, I think it's good. I think it's good. I just want to see. Well, this light. How can let me see which color that's gonna match. Oh, off. Still. Mm-mm. Yes, people. Today video is for today's video is for Powerball numbers and Mega Ball. So I wanna show you a way that you can figure out your numbers every time. Okay, we're gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna show you how it works, and it work every time. You hear me? It work every time I do it, and you're gonna see that it works every time. Uh, try to level that because it's too. I don't want it too bright so I cannot see. This is like I can't even see the marker on the screen. So a little bit brightness. Although yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Okay. The thing is, uh, it's been some time I've been working on Powerball numbers. Like I want to find a way that to always find those numbers. For those of you who like play Powerball or Mega Balls, I'm gonna teach you a way that you're gonna be more accurate on your numbers every time you do this trick, this method. I call that method gold mine. So you're gonna be very, very accurate. I'm not even say, well, Pressy is the word, but accurate and Pressy together at the same time. You're gonna be very good at it. My name is Richardson Sinclair, and I go by the name of Goldmine. And this method, I give it that name, Goldmine, because I work a lot and to find out how to make this happen. So that being said, I'm gonna share with you what I've been working hard and to find out. Okay, so um, we're gonna start somewhere. We're not gonna start today. We're not gonna start on that number today. That number that they for Mega Million. We're not gonna start on it today. We're gonna start, but in a different video. After I demonstrate and show you step by step how to find the numbers and explain and figure out where the numbers are and how they match. Okay, let's start. I need something. We're gonna erase this. Before I erase this, I like to take pictures so I don't miss my stuff. I like to take pictures like that. It's safe. So anytime I want to go back to it and to search my work and see how the numbers do, I check them back. Now we're gonna erase this. Actually, this is what up here. I'm gonna make it more bigger so you can see. This is the Mega Million and Powerball for Mega Million for today and Powerball for tomorrow. So I'm gonna uh, erase this, and then we're going to start back from. Let's see what date we can take it to. But what I do, I like to start with the. I like to start with the previous numbers. That's how you start. You start with the previous numbers. When you start with the previous numbers and the power numbers, you know how and where to go. For example, this kind of thing you cannot guess because you gotta be accurate because these numbers, we're talking about numbers. Numbers, you gotta be accurate and precise. And that asks you to do a lot of work for you to do all those things and to find the matches number, the sequence, all those things. Okay, uh, let's start. For example, I don't know. Yeah, this is not gonna work. For example, let's go pick a number like a previous numbers that came out on, let's say, on Mega Bull. But the trick is with the Mega Bull, you can find Mega Bull with Mega Bull too. But me, what I like to do, I like to go look for the Powerball number that came out before, and then work with them, and then there is much easy to find the Megabo result. That's how it works. I'm gonna show you. It works both ways too. But me, I feel like it's more precise, it's more accurate when you use the Powerball numbers to find the Megabo. I find it more easy. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna show you. Powerball. Real quick. Where we going? We're going on that $1 billion ticket, Megabo. We're gonna do this one and we're gonna find it. That $1 billion ticket. Because even me, I miss it by two numbers. The number is in front of my eyes. I didn't match it. They in front of my eyes. I'm gonna show you. That $1 billion, when that day was. That $1 billion. I think I have to go to Megaboo to find the date. Find that $1 billion ticket. Previous draw. It was worth. I think that was. Let me see. Yeah. The previous one was. Sorry, give me 1 minute, people. Billion dollar. Where are you? Now, previous past draw. Let's go on past draw. Okay. I think that was on the 20. Yes, on the 22nd January. That was on the 22nd January 22nd, 21. Okay, that was that day. I can't even know if y'all can even see, but I'm gonna try to demonstrate that. Okay, that day 22nd, that mean Powerball came out on the 20. 23rd. Yeah, Powerball came out on the 23rd. Powerball. I'm gonna find it. Okay, the 23rd number. I'm gonna write big so y'all can see. The first one is the power play. You gotta use the power play. 3. Okay, 3. I'm trying to write big so I can see. Oh yeah, time. You multiply, and then you said 05, 08, 17, 27, 27, 28, okay, 28, 14. That's the last number. So now we're gonna multiply. This marker is not good, so I cannot do nothing with it. Okay. Uh, we're gonna multiply now. Okay, you already know this gives you 15. This gives you 24. This gives you 51. To be sure, 3 times 17, 51. Okay? Damn. I just okay. So 27, 81, 28, 84, 14, 42. Okay? So that's how. I think that's the one way. With okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video because I realized that the marker is not doing a great job. Really, I want to show you guys how to do it, but I'm gonna continue to do it so I can finish this session, and then I'm gonna change the marker, and then I think I'm supposed to start on this side because it's like I don't even understand the letters on the screen. So okay, what I do, you see that here, you have to do a frequency table. The frequency table, you start like this. That's value. This is V. Okay, this is V for value. This is uh F for frequency. V, F, sum. This is sum. So now what you do, you line up everything. That's the table. This is V, F, and then sum. And then what you do, you go here, look for the lowest number. Look for the lowest number. You start here. The lowest number here is 1. We do this, 1, 2, 3. That means that was 1. I got 3 ones. I got 3 ones. Now the next one is 2. You go right here. You look for 2. You go right here. That's 1 and 2. You got 22 right here. The first one is 13. The second one is 22. So we keep gonna keep going. We said we're looking for 3 now. We don't have no 3s. We don't have no 3s. My wife is gone. Well, okay. I'm gonna stop this video and then we'll start another time. Okay? Because I have to be prepared because my macro is not really good. My macro is not good. Okay? So I'm gonna end this video and then maybe.
You at work?
No, I'm working tonight.
She was going to sleep.
No, I don't stay in bed like that anymore.
She was doing numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is McKayman calling.
She's okay?
Okay. I'm not to see.
Okay. I have to stop the video because it's like, you know. I can do it on my phone, man. If I can do it on my phone, if I can even put this on top of the table. Can't even put this on top of the table and then I put the laptop here and I'm walking here at the table. See if I can go like thing is still rolling. Okay. Well, that's what happens when you just start in your video. Okay, so now I don't know. I just can't. My marker just not good enough. So for me to demonstrate that, but I'm gonna continue. Okay, now let's look for threes. Let's look for threes. There is no threes. You only got four. We do four. Okay, four. We put four right here. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 3 fours. We got 3 fours. So now we got 3 fours. So now we're gonna look for five. Five. We got 1, 2. We got two fives. Okay, we got 2 5s. So when we got 2 5s, we're gonna look for 6 if we have any. Now we just 6 is no 6 right here, and it's no 7 too right here. So there is no 6, there is no 7. Only number that's here is 8. So we take 8. We said 8. It's only one. No, it's only 2 8. 1, 2, 2 8. So now I'm gonna erase this so I can have much space to work it out for you so you can see. Okay. So now I'm gonna erase those, and then I'm gonna make the frequency table much bigger so everybody can enjoy. I think white. Let me see if red. No, red is not working. Okay. Now the frequency table, we're doing it like this. Uh, Value. Okay. And then we said F. Yeah. F. And then let's see. Let's put the F on this side so y'all can see. F. And then sound. It's still not good. I just want to, just not big enough. I need a big marker. Okay. V. Okay. F. Sound. So what you do, you go here, align, separate them. That's the value, frequency, sound. So now I'm gonna transport everything that's here to a bigger, larger place. 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 8, 2. Okay. So now we got this here. Okay. So now when you do this, you're gonna have to multiply the frequency, the F. You multiply the F with the V. Now, how many well, okay. 3 times 1 is 1. Okay? Now you said 2 times 4, 2 times 2, I mean, sorry, and 3 times 4. 2 times 5, 2 times 8. Okay? So me, I like to do this so I can line up all the numbers. I like to do this so I can line up all the numbers in that square in their own space. So when it's like that, you can easily match your number with you understanding. Okay? When you're done, you go up here. Now you're gonna have to find the range. You're gonna have to find the range. For example, here we got 1 up here and then 8 up in the bottom. And the range, the formula for range is H minus S. Let's do it right here. Range equal H minus low. That means low number, the highest number and the low number minus the highest number. So now we got the 8 is the highest number. So we do 8 minus 1, which on the top of the value. That 1, that give you 7, right? That give you 7. The range is 7. So now, what number that's missing right here? What number is missing right here? Remember, we got 1, 2, 4 on the value. We got 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 8. The number that's missing is first is 3. 3 is missing right here. And 6 and 7 is missing right here. 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is missing. Okay? So when 6 and 7 is missing for the value, you already know what to do. So it's a nice chance like the number that's missing, you're gonna have to be that number that's coming out. Okay? I'm thirsty, but that's all I got here. That's all I got here. I'm thirsty. I want to drink some water though. Yeah. So to tell you, the number that's missing is 6 and 8 and 3. So to find those numbers, to match your numbers, you're gonna have to look for those numbers. So what you do, you add, when you finish looking for the range, you add all those together. You add all the values together. Let's count. 3, 7, 12, 20. The value is 20. So now you go to the frequency side. Okay, we gotta find the frequency. The same way, you add all the frequency together. 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, and another 3 plus 2 is 5, that gives you 10, and then press 2, that gives you 12. So now we got 12 for the frequency. So now we're going to look for the sound. We're gonna have to do the same thing too. Add all of them. When I do 3, please press 4, give me 7. Okay? 3 plus 4 give me 7. Plus 36. 36. 3 plus 4. 36. Okay. That means 36 plus 36, that's 12, 10, 16. That gives me 36, 40, 43. Come on. That gives me 43. So now, me, what I like to do, I like to play with numbers. I like to play and try to figure out which way, what is possible on the number. What is the last juice in the number? You know, flip them. There's a million ways like to get a number. So what I do, I add those two together. That's what I do. I add those two together. That gives me 32. That gives me 32. And then now I like to divide, but I don't really divide. What I do, this is 30, 12, and 33, 43. I do 43 up here, and then 12 in the bottom. So when I do that, I just do this like this. That means I got 13, I got 32, and then I got 43. Okay, so that's the result I got here. Okay, 12, 13, 43, and 12. Okay, so now the number that's missing here is 6 and 7. So to be accurate, let's go check. Okay, remember this is Powerball. This is the Powerball number, the previous number that I'm using again. So now I'm going to Mega Million to find. That's where I'm gonna show you. That's where you're gonna see those results on Powerball like when you do that method, the frequency, you use the frequency tables and you multiply everything by the power number. And then when you do the frequency table will tell you how many numbers that's gonna come back. That watch, watch. Right now, I got three up here. I got three ones. That tell me I got three ones that's gonna come out. Maybe two, but he said it's a possibility. Three ones will come out. I got two right here. You tell me there's a possibility I got two twos that's gonna come out. I got four over here, and I got three fours. He told me that's a possibility. Three fours can be 44, it can be, fours gonna come out. And I got fives here two times. He told me that means either 10 come out or 35, 55, 65 come out. Okay? I got two eights. It can be 28, it can be 58, it can be one of the eight come out. So or 16, because I got two eight. So that's the possibility that the frequency table will show you. And yeah, the Mega Million. Now we're going to Mega Million. Mega. I'm gonna show you how this is possible. The chance when you know this, when you know how to do this really good, the chance it's really possible to win the lottery. That was on the 22nd, right? Yes, that was on 22nd. So I'm gonna have to do another frequency table on that same table. Watch, watch. I like to do it like one time, two time, three time. So when you do it three time, you have three ways to play. You do the table like three times. You have three ways to play. Okay, I'm gonna show you. For example, right here, that's a V again, the same way, a V, F, and a S. And then do your line up. You line up real good. And then you start with the lowest number we got here is 0 on that table. We do 1, 2, we got two zeros. We go for 1 now. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We got 5 ones. Now, shit. Oh, sorry, my language. I'm hungry. I just feel it. Since I woke up this morning, I've been working, man. I've been doing numbers all day, all morning, all night. Yeah. So now we got 5 ones, right? Now we're looking for twos on this side of the table. Let me use the red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 twos. Ooh, shit. We got 7 twos. So now we're going for 3. This thing gonna be too short though. I feel like it's gonna be too short because there's a lot of number on this side. Okay, threes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 threes. 5, 4 now. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 4s. Now we go for 5. 1. We got 1 5. We're going for 6 now. 1. Yeah, that's all. We got only 1 6. 1 6. 7. We don't got no 7 here. Well, we don't have no 7 here. So now we're going to look for 8 because 7 is missing. Remember, every time the number is missing, don't worry, it's coming out. With the how we come out, they come out next to each other. Like the number that's missing, for example, if 6 is missing, when it come out, boom, it come up with, let's say, 6 missing, he come out and then he bring 5 with him. He bring 5 with him. The closest number around it, he bringing it with him. He take the 5, 5, 4, no 5. He take 5, 7. He take those numbers coming up with him. I'm gonna show you. Well, thank you. My birthday gift. Yeah. Now we're looking for 8. We got 1. We got 1 8. So now we're going to multiply 2 times 0, 5 times 1, 2 times 7 times 2, 4 times 3, 3 times what? 4 fois 4, 3 fois 4. 16, 5, 6, 8. Okay? And then when you've done this, you got a clear view, you know. The number, for example, over here, number 3 is missing. Let me see if I can show that. Oh, better. Oh, my éclairage it was messed up. Okay, I got it. Oh, good view, people. Good view. I got you. I got it. My, yeah, my éclairage. That's supposed to be for my phone, but I use it for this, and then I use my laptop to stream on. But yeah, that toy. This boy got a toy in my office. I try to see How can I got a better? I think you'll see better now. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I know I was supposed to do been doing this before, but I didn't have no way to fix it, and I didn't see the screen or the board or anything. Okay, let's continue. The way, yeah. Let's continue. Now, when you do that, to be sure, come on. Mm-hmm. Let's see when I think about 2024. 0, 04, 26, 42, 50, 60, 24. Okay? So that's the number that came out on Megaboo. And I'm going to get Mega and Powerboom so we can compare them and see. Okay. All right. The Powerboo was uh-huh was 05, 05, 08, 17, 27, 28, 14. That was the Powerball. Let's see if we don't. Let's see if we don't have all those numbers here. Those six numbers. Okay. We was looking for. We're looking for now. It's Powerball. We're looking for Powerball. We're looking for 05. Okay. We're looking for 05. Up here. Up here. Give me 05. You see it? Up here is 05. Now we're looking for 08. Looking for 08, right? 08 is not here, but is here. When you do the range, look, that's 08 right here. When you do the range on this one gives you 17, which is the right number. This is the right number. But when you do the second sequence, you can pick numbers between those two because this one gives you 17, this range gives you 17, and this range gives you 08. When you do, the range is the highest number and then minus the lowest number. Well, the highest number was 8, is 8. The lowest number is 0, minus 0. So what that gives you? 8. That give you 8. So 0, 8. You see it? 0, 8, 0, 5. Right here. Remember, like I told you, when the number is missing, the number that's close to it is in how can I say that? Is in vibration too. It's like is in vibration too because it missed a number. For example, if you on the alphabet, if a letter missing, for example, it can be A, it can be E. If one of them missing, they're not in harmony. You cannot write if one letter missing. Then that the same way. 7 is missing right here. 7 is missing right here. And then I'm gonna show you again. Then the next number we're going to look for is 27. Right here. 27. And 27 is right here. You see it? 27 is up here with 7 that's missing up here. You see what I'm saying? That's 27 up here. 7 is up here. But he's missing between right here. He's missing between 6 and 8. You see what I'm saying? He's missing between 6 and 8. Because he's missing, you see where he's end up? The number that you see where he's missing that is missing. Wherever you see that 7, that's the number that you match it with. And then 8, you see 8? 8 gonna have to match with the number too because it missed a friend to make it complete because 8 is not complete. For example, 7, 7, and let's say 6 and 8 is a bridge. Okay? 6 and 8 is a bridge. But for the bridge to complete, you have to have 7. You cannot jump 7. You gotta pass through 7 to get to 8. That's the same way. That's the same way. That's the same way, baby. If you follow this method, if you follow those frequency table, you're gonna win every time. This thing I've been working on it for like let's say like 2 years because I used to do it. I used to do it a different method. A different method give me numbers, but never give me all 5 numbers exactly the same. Sometimes the previous number, the method I used to do, used to give me, like for example, it give me the number, but it give me the reverse number. You understand? Sometimes. But this one don't play. This one don't play. It give you the number straight up. Let me show you this one, and then I'm gonna show you how I miss $1 billion. Well, I'm happy too. Somebody win that $1 billion. I'm very happy because somebody get out of poverty. Somebody today is a billionaire because of it. You know what I mean? I know if I didn't miss those numbers that day, me and that person we will share that money and do a lot of good with it, especially in my country, in Haiti. So that's my goal. When I win, I will do a lot of good around the world and help myself too. Damn, it's feel good to be a billionaire, a millionaire too. You know what I mean? It's feel good. So I'm happy for him or whoever winning. Congratulations. I was looking at it too and I was working on it too. I just missed it by an inch. But congratulations to you and your family and be safe and spend well. Okay? So that's the method I was using at that time. No, I wasn't using that. I was using a different method. And then I said to myself, after I see I miss that number, I asked myself, I need to find something that's gonna give me the accurate number. I don't wanna miss number. And I want to have something like that, find something like that, find a way to understand them, and make it easy for me to understand and recognize numbers. So that's what I meditate on, or I always pray on too. To God give me that knowledge to understand numbers, because yeah, you know. So and since then too, I feel good about myself and about my work, what I'm doing, because it gave me there is a way out. You know what I mean? There is a way out. You can get out of your situation if you use the tools that you got. You know, the tools that God gave you to use to your full potential. You can use them and get out of poverty and misery and help other people. You know, there's a lot of kids around the world that need help and that don't have nobody to help them. And you know, there's a lot of kids in the street, and there's a lot of people right now infected with COVID-19, and which is big disaster. I can say that's the second phenomenon that I witnessed: the earthquake in Haiti and that coronavirus. So yeah, you gotta be smart and use what you got. Use yourself. You know, trust your instinct and keep working on it. Keep working on it, and then you will break through. That's the same thing I did. I've been working on this plan for like a couple years, but now I see better, and understand better in each day because I didn't give up. That was my goal, to understand the numbers, to understand the table, the frequency table, and really one day I was like I keep asking myself what way after I missed that $1 billion, which I was gonna share with that person. I said to myself, which way that I can how can I find a way that to to match numbers, to understand the numbers, and then like that, if I see it, okay. But when you got different numbers, you deal with different numbers. Oh, I'm not no lie. I didn't used to be good with numbers, but I always do what I can to get to. You know what I mean? But now because I keep my focus on this thing, it get me much better in numbers and understand the numbers. You know what I mean? Be friendly. You know what I mean? So that's how I keep a ball. I keep a ball in my office, so I can keep practice and practice. That's how I get better. So now I got it right. You understand? I got it right this time. So I want to share it with you guys and people who wanna win and who like to play the game and wanna do something good in life with money. You know what I mean? And let's do it. Okay, the next number was 27. The last number we was checking was 27. So 27 is right here. Okay, 0, 0, 5, 0, 8. Because when you like I said, up here is 0 and your range is 8. So of course 8 gonna be equal to 0. You know, not equal to 0, but your range gonna be equal to 8, because when you minus 0 by 8 or 8 0, it gives you 8. So now we got 8 up here, which is your second number. And we got 0, 5, which is your first number, which is right here. You see, they close. 27, 08, 08, and then 05. So now we're going to look for 17. We're looking for 17. Okay. You remember I told you the 17. You can find it the same way. You see right here, the same way. That was the range. I find it on the range. 17 is right here. So it's the same way too. Like I said, the number that's moving around now, it vibrate everywhere that it stay. So that's why right here, next to 27 is 17 right here. You see it? It's 17 right here. Match that number. It's 17 because we got it over here already, on the first frequency table. But the second one, you see where you give it? It's not even in here. But here, because I find it here on the range, It gave me that here, right here, 17. 17, 27, 05, 08. Right here. Easy peasy. The next one, we got 17. The next one is 14. So easy. That's what I'm saying. That table, that technique is great. It's perfect. Look, that's 14 right here. You see? That's 14 right here. The Powerball number. That's 14. You see? Like I said, where the number that's missing is stand, everyone around it is moved. It's like you playing chess. I'm not too good in chess, but I got my chess table here. I'm not too good in chess, but it's like a chess game. Like I think the queen move like that or the king. No, the king move around. Yes, the king. Okay, the queen too. The queen go anywhere. Okay, the king he go anywhere too, but one step around. That's the same way. You see that seven missing right here? Look at that. He he in love with two. He in love with one, and then he bring 14 with him because 7 times 2 is 14. He bring 14 with him. That means everything around it keep moving like it's vibrate too. 05 up here. You see what I say? So that's it. That's what I was telling you. It's very good, very effective. Now we're looking for 28. We're looking for 28. 28. Okay. We're looking for 28, but I forgot to do something. What we're going to do, we're going to add. If we add everything, we're gonna find 28 there. If we add everything, 8 already here. Okay? 8 already here. So we're gonna find everything. Because like let me go back. Let me go back. This is so nice and so real. You remember I told you, like a king, when the king is moving everything around it, like or the queen, like they can move around and take pawns out, take pawn out, defend, you know what I mean? And then that's the same thing. Because because 7 is missing right here. 7 coming up all the way up here. He come up with 27. He come up with 17, and he come up with its equal 14. 2 times 14. He come up with 14. Now 8. You remember 8? How many times do we have 8? How many times we have 8 over here? We got 8 2 times. We got 8 like 2 times. 2 times 8. What happened? 08, 28. You see it? We got it 2 times. 08, 28. That's what happened here. I don't even have to finish the bottom so you can see. Because if I do the bottom, I'm still gonna find the answer. Okay? That's how that's how I said the 7 number is a powerful number. And it's like a king. Wherever it's missing, don't worry. Where you find 7, all the number around 7 gonna be involved in that sequence, in that value, in that 6 number Powerball. Okay? So we got our 6, and that's the end for today. I didn't plan to stay that long, and I even was thinking to end up the video, but I didn't give up. That's what I like about myself. I didn't give up, and I continue the video. And right now, this is the end of it. I was just showing you how you can use the frequency table to find the Powerball number and the Mega Bull number. We're gonna do the Mega Bull number in another video, so I can have a better setup and I can have a better understanding my light, you know what I mean? And this is this video I'm doing is basically like, let's say it's not my first video, but yeah, it's the first time that actually really wanna share with um the people who like to play, you know, understand, make help them understand numbers and give them a direct way to the winning, to the victory, to money wise. All right, that was your man, Richardson, aka Go Mine. And stay blessed, stay safe. Don't forget about wearing your mask. Gas station, wear your gloves. You're going to the store, go get your grocery. I know certain things you cannot wash, but do your best. Wash what you can. Your foods, your everything. Okay? And then drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of lemon juice. Vitamin C is good for your body. And garlic tea. Okay? Stay blessed. I love y'all. Salute. Go mine.